Hi, it's Josh from ATM Stake Pools and welcome to my spare room. And I'm going to show you how to redeem your rewards from the ITN in the new version of Daedalus 2.1.0. Now here we go. Now when you open Daedalus for the first time, this is the screen you're going to see. It can take a little while to load, especially as you get towards the end, but bear with it, it is loading. Now, once you've pressed the brand new ITN button on the left-hand side, it will take you to this screen. This is where you add your wallet recovery phrase, and that's from your rewards wallet, okay? So once you've entered that, you can go on to the next step, which is choosing the wallet it's going to pay into. Then, do you want to click that you understand that there is a fee from your rewards wallet and there's a fee to the wallet that you're paying into. Once you've done that, you can click OK. That will then take you to the next screen where you simply enter your password for the wallet that you're paying into and you confirm. Once you've done that, all the funds have been paid into the assigned wallet. Now, back to Daedalus. You get to the pool screen by clicking the Cardano button on the left-hand side, and we want to navigate to stake pools. If you've paid into a wallet that's already registered to a pool, it's going to appear there and it's automatically done. But if you haven't, not a problem. You would type in ATM1 in this case, click on the icon and click Delegate to Pool, job done. You have now successfully retrieved your rewards from the ITN and chosen your stake pool to delegate to. Please do remember that changes won't take effect until the next epoch, so you won't start earning rewards till then. Now that's over with, please do subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot more updates to come. I'll also want to talk about our project, which is ATM Stake Pools, the only stake pool that is dedicated to increasing adoption by buying and installing Cardano ATMs or cash machines, whatever. So please do subscribe and more to follow. Thank you for joining me in my spare room and I'll see you soon.